Alexia Nunez, binigyan ng send-off presko ng Noble Queen of the Universe Organization bilang official representative sa Miss Grand International All-Stars.
Alexia Nunez, MGI All-Stars, Philippines!
Nagsagawa ng sariling send-off press con ang Noble Queen of the Universe Organization para sa kanilang 2026 Noble Queen of the Universe winner na si Alexia Nunez na isa sa 5 pambato ng Pilipinas sa kauna-unahang edisyon ng Miss Grand International All-Stars. Ginanap ang send-off press con sa Viva Cafe sa Cubao, Quezon City kung saan buong tapang na hinarap ni Alexia ang mga matitinding katanungan ng mga showbiz at pageant media. Ayon kay Alexia, bagamat wala siyang dugong Pilipino, ngunit mula nang maging misis umano siya ng isang Pinoy, ay naging Pilipino na rin siya sa puso, sa salita at sa gawa.
It's been 3 years I'm here in the Philippines, and since the beginning I fell in love with the country, I fell in love with the people, the culture, and the Philippines really embraced me as well. Since the first moment I felt like I belong here, and I am a Filipina, I am one of you. So it's just a God's blessing talaga. It's hard to explain. It's not something you can really understand, but you feel with your heart. It goes deeper. It's spiritual. It's beyond the flesh. It's beyond the physical body, the blood. It's about connection, and yeah, I believe it's a calling.
Sinagot din ni Alexia ang tanong kung anong klaseng winner ang hinahanap ng Miss Grand International All-Stars.
I think they're really looking for queens that have personality, women that can lead. And as you all know, in the Philippines, we have many beautiful and strong women. So you can see we have 5. This means the Philippines really represent worldwide.
Si Alexia ay na-qualify na candidate sa unang edition ng Miss Grand International All-Stars matapos na manalo ito sa Noble Queen of the Universe ni Erin Noche at Patricia Javier. Ayon sa Brazilian-Filipino beauty queen, bukod sa Noble Queen, wala na siyang ibang experience sa pageant.
The first time I joined a beauty contest was for the Noble Queen of the Universe. First time ko, before wala, just modeling, ganyan.
Feeling niya raw ay destiny niya ang maging kauna-unahang Miss Grand International All-Stars.
Actually, there's something I want to share. On the 4th of December, that's the day we had the Noble Queen of the Universe 2025. That's the day that Miss Grand International announced MGI All-Stars. And I got invited for joining and representing the Philippines. So meant to be talaga. 4th of December.
Kaugnay nito, nagbigay naman ng kanilang mensahe ang mga owner ng Noble Queen of the Universe kay Alexia.
As a founder of Noble Queen of the Universe, nakaka-proud kasi na-raise niya yung flag ng organization namin sa pag-join niya sa napakalaking pageant organization international. Again, congratulations. You are a winner to all of us. We love you.
Naging emosyon na naman si Patricia na magbigay ito ng mensahe.
Sorry, I get emotional because I'm so happy. Thank you. My only advice is always stay humble. You know, don't forget us. I know if you're there, it's a big thing already. You know, sabi nga, dapat maging isang kawayan ka. Habang tumataas, lalong yumuyupo para makatulong sa mga tao. Which is yun talaga yung ginagawa ni Alex dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya siya naging Noble Queen. Of course, it's just beautiful, but other than that is, pero mo, hindi siya taga dito talaga, pero minahal niya ang Pilipinas. Meron siyang pusong Pinoy, di ba? Hindi lang yung asawa niya yung minahal niya, kasi ang asawa niya Pilipino. Hindi lang yung Pilipino asawa niya, lahat ng mahal ng asawa niya at ang community natin. Kaya, thank you so much.
Tiwala naman ang International Director ng Noble Queen na si Marjorie Renner na magbibigay ng magandang laban si Alexia sa nasabing pageant.
All I can say now, because I think I will not advise on anything, that be prepared, but like what Patricia said, your shine will come out if you are humble. You know, And being representing the Noble Queen, I would say that you should be showing your heart of service. Because once you show it to the people, the beauty of every person is not just physical. And if you show it in your heart, it will automatically come out. So that's my best advice, and I'm definitely just want to let you know that just believe in your purpose, believe in yourself. When you are there, just think like a winner. No second thought. Just say, I am here, I'm going to win, that's it. Because I am prepared.
Gaganapin ang unang edisyon ng Miss Grand International All-Stars sa darating na May 30 sa Thailand. At iyan aking balita, ako si Attorney and you are watching The News Watch.